Aloha, Rich Alverson here. This is ITS227. And in this video, I'm going to continue on in Chapter 7, more on the document object model modification, modifying your the HTML page with JavaScript. And so let me share my screen. Share. This is actually the second time I'm making this video because I forgot to share my screen the first time. So here we are. And so in 7.2, we learned how to access elements on the HTML page by their class name or by their tag name or different ways. In this section, but we didn't learn how to add elements or take away elements. And in this section, section 7.3 here, we're going to learn about that. Okay. Now, you recall that the document object module is just a tree, and so and we have so we're able to traverse the tree. Identify elements in the tree or name them, and traverse to the next one and so on, using standard tree traversal methods. Okay, every tree has a root, and every node in the tree, except for the root, has a parent, and nodes can have children. The nodes that don't have children are the nodes along the bottom usually. No, they are the nodes along the bottom. You're also able to access your sibling your sibling nodes, and you'll see that here. So here for example, the document object module has this as the root node, and then that root node has got one child, two children, head and body, and head has got two children, meta and title. Body has got one child, two children, and then this OL tag here has four children. All these LI tags. So anyway, so that's and so like the next sibling of this LI tag would be this LI tag, and so on. The parent of this tag is this tag, and so and then to modify the DOM structure, you can append a new child. You can insert node as a child node before an object's existing child node. So you're inserting before a node, and this is where the siblings come in. Inserting before would be inserting an LI tag just before an existing LI tag. So you if you wanted to insert a new LI tag between item 2 and item 3, then you would say insert before item 3, and it would put in it would put in the new item 3. Anyway, so that's what these are here. I worked these out earlier. And so here's how you can append a node onto append a child node onto append a child onto a node. You can do this insert before. You can remove a child. And this is creating an element before you can add a node onto another node. You have to create the node, and that's what this does. So this creates a node, and there is a node which is an element node, which is an HTML element, like a P tag or an LI tag or an OL tag or whatever. And then there's a text node, which is text. So the create element argument is the tag, and the create node argument is the text that you want in the node. And then clone node can clone a node. And this argument here, true or false. True means you're cloning the tree, and false means you're just cloning the node. And if it has children, the children don't get cloned. So this is a good one to go through to understand how you have to, in this exercise, this little participation activity, which you should do. We are starting with a two element, or a list of two, an ordered list that's got two elements, two list items. Let's get this item. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a new element, and we're going to create a new text node, and we're going to connect the text node to the list node, to the new element. See here? So so that's where we are here, and then we're going to connect it to OL. That's down here. We're gonna give a name to OL. That's color list, and then we're gonna append the child this onto the color list, and then we're gonna clone the red list item list. We'll clone that, and then we're gonna insert it before blue. Insert it before blue. Item nodes 2 is blue. All right, so let's do this. Let's do this one. Assign new element with the new. Okay, let's go over the Java. Start it up first. Go to the JavaScript, and we've got a parent tag, and that's get element. That's list. So the parent tag is this. This is the div thing, and we want to. First of all, we want to create a new element. Oh, new element. Okay. Assign new element with a new H3 element. Okay, so I guess I have to do let new element equals, and I'm creating a new H3 element. Creating a document. Create element. I'm creating an H3 element, H3. Okay. And then assign text node. Well, that's going to be that one. Okay, so, and then I'm going to have a text node, I guess. Let text node equal, this is going to be a text node, right? So document, and I'm doing this one, create text node. I'm doing something just like this. Create an element, create a text node, and then append the text node to the element. So create an element, create a text node, document, create text node. And what I want to create is something that says Terry. Yeah, it says create a new text node containing Terry. And then this statement is going to append text node onto new element, so it's going to append Terry, it's going to stick Terry. Terry is going to be a child of the H3 element, and then this new element is going to be appended to the parent tag, so it's going to be it. Anyway, I'm sure this is correct. Very good. All right, do the next one. Append next node, node text to list item as a child, and then append list item to the parent tag as a child. Okay, so append node text do this. So I got to do the node text to list item as a child. So I'm doing list item dot append child, and what I'm appending is node text. Yeah, I think that's right. So I've created this node that's going to be inside the li tags, enclosed with the li not li tag, and then I'm going to append the li tag, list item tag, to the parent tag as a child. So I think I go like this: parent tag and child, list item. Okay, very good. What's next? Remove the span element from the H3. So I want to remove the span. I want to remove this whole span ID equals special text special span. So I guess I just do all right. I'm going to use find remove. Okay, remove. Here's remove child. How is it used? Let's see. Okay, so this is how you remove yourself, I guess. And so what I want to do is remove so H3 is okay, it's called special text. I guess I can refer to it as special text. What happens if I go does it actually start with the see, I don't understand the I get it. Okay. All right, so I need to first I need to I can just this is a tough one. How about if I go let I'm going to do something different than the solution here. Let's span element equal document get element by ID special text. Special text. Okay. And then I want to do like this, like what it did up here. And I'm going to say a span element parent node remove child do this span element. Yeah, I guess so. So I'm saying start with span element, figure out what the parent node is, and then remove the child of that parent. And the child that you're removing is, you identify the child here. You can't just remove any child. You have to say the child. It has only one child. Where's the remove? I guess you have to identify. They don't show any other uses in that super child. All right, I'm gonna experiment around. I'm gonna see if this works. What happens if I take this out? I'm gonna see what happens if it takes that out. It's wrong. An argument is required. Okay, so you have to put an argument in there. All right, that makes sense. All right, sure. All right, that's the answer. Okay. All right, so this is 7.3, and I'll end this video and start a new one for 7.4. Thanks for watching.